A very warm welcome everyone to Story 88. This is Newtown Precinct, Johannesburg, a place renowned for its rich history of biodiversity and culture. It has art galleries, museums, and theaters all around. Interestingly, there are a lot of well-known actors and musical performers who started their craft from this very place that I'm showing you right here now. Not only famous in South Africa, but internationally as well. In the 20th century, the Newtown Precinct was named the Bricksfield. In 1896, it's estimated that approximately 7,000 people lived in the town. There were a number of industries that developed, such as trade firms, banks, brick factories, and others. So in recent years, in modern-day South Africa, the City of Johannesburg Municipality Council initiated a construction of this area, Newtown, which rehabilitated all structures of buildings, enhanced public open spaces, introduced also closed-circuit TV. Please stay tuned as I take you on a tour of this amazing place, Newtown. And please family, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel, Story 88. And I'd like to send a special thanks to all members of this channel for their continued support. Please continue doing so because the best is yet to come. The structure in front of me is the Market Square or the Market Photo Workshop. So according to their website, it was founded in 1989 by well-renowned photographer David Goldblatt. For over 30 years, the Market Photo Workshop has played a pivotal role in the training of South Africa's photographers, ensuring that visual literacy reaches neglected and marginalized parts of South African society. It also facilitates a number of fellowship, mentorship, and internship opportunities for students and alumni of the photo workshop. Okay, so this building just in front of me is the Market Theatre, where all the stage plays, musicals, and drama take place. But also outside of this building, there's an interesting feature that I'd like to show you. A life-size bronze sculpture of one of South Africa's greatest musicians, Brenda Nokzola Fassie, who was born in Langa, Cape Town, on 3 November 1964 and died in May 9, 2004 at the age of 39. She, Brenda Fassie, was known as the Madonna of the Township, South Africa's top-selling local artist, and what a record company, EMI, called a once-in-a-generation artist, a true idol. Some of her popular songs were Weekend Special, Black President, Memeza, Noma Kanjani, Vulindlela, and Paparazzi. Amazingly, Newtown was also known as the home of jazz. This place, which is called Kipis, was opened in 1980 and named after Jeremiah Morolo, Kipi Moeketsi, the father of South Africa's jazz. The club was an international jazz venue with most of South Africa's jazz greats, with the likes of Hugh Masekela, Jonas Gwangwa, Abdullah Ibrahim, Sipho Sticks Mabuse, among others, who once played here. So guys, this is basically some parts of the Newtown's heritage sites, but it doesn't end here. Please make sure you don't miss the following video, which will drop same time, same place. And please show support to this channel, Story 88, by liking, commenting and subscribing. Thank you so much. See you in the next one.